What's up? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. Grand rising to you all. Today is Thursday, guys, and I'm starting the vlog this way. So, yeah, as usual, and I out here at Toyota Prize. Yeah, out here at Toyota Prize, guys. Me I walk go back over now. Yeah, me wake up, me get up from about, me get up a couple minutes to 5. Yeah, cause me jump up, cause I say, oh my. Like in my sleep, I say, oh my, I need to get Aguero ready for school. I'm a jump up, people. I brush my teeth, I wash my face already. I had coffee for my tea today because today is Thursday, guys. Today is the best day of the week for me because I get to spend the day with my husband. Today I end day off, people. So whenever it's his day off, he tries to help me out and like make breakfast and them little stuff. So he made me some coffee and I had a little bit of rice, not a whole heap, because I did feel hungry, but I never want a biscuit. So I have one little bit of rice. And then I come tie out prize. Mateo is inside. Aguero went off to school. Yeah, so my day here, I will go back in now, people. And I go help out daddy because he's doing a little get together at his shop today. Yeah, that's what the vlog is going to be about today. We're going to vlog at the shop today, guys. Yeah, because daddy keep one little something where he's going to sell roast fish and soup and stuff like that. So I'm gonna help him out at the shop and them little stuff there. You understand? But yeah, this is me. Stay tuned. Watch the full video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Me I walk come over. That's why. I go look for my plants and when I finish, people. And I go show you that because I never shown in yesterday's vlog. I only showing me watering them. Yeah, so I go show you that, people. Material clothes them still never dry yesterday, so I go wait for them dry today and take them off and I go fold them up and pack them away. So basically, yeah, that's what I'll be doing for today, people. So stay tuned. Watch what go on.
Yeah,
Alright.
true. Come get some, some roast fish and some jerk chicken neck. We just start off a little vibe. We see you turn out, and then next week, so it's bigger than this.
Yeah, people, that's him doing. Man, scale him fish them.
Who can afford it still can drink a soup,
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, people, that today I deal with Simi and the cry baby here. See Matthew close them still up on the line. She prize it up there. Not prize, special up there. So. Special up there, so people. I don't know if you can see her, but she sit down up there. So. Troublemaker dog. Troublemaking. But my baby's here. Oh yeah, people. That's the other thing that I wanted to tell you guys. Me I go pull out Mateo here today. It's hot. Yes, a old fart. See old fart sitting up there. So. Yeah, she's a troublemaking dog. But people, me I go pull out Mateo here today again before we go up a shop. Yeah, I'm gonna go accompany daddy see him around the store and scale up him fish. My husband. Yeah.
Yeah, you have some people who say they can scale fish. I mean, I tell you, say they don't know nothing about scale fish. Can watch it. Then scale down your side of the fish, and they don't know, say you have scale on the head. So that's why when people do roast fish and fry fish, at the end, them see some little crimp up at the top. At the scale that you not see up at the top. So you have to rub up your too. See it?
This sky blue and pretty, so guys. This sky is blue and pretty. So pretty. Yeah. Way down in the hills. Way down in the hills. Way. The pumpkin them in the bush are ripe and are rotten pan with people. Melissa make all of them get messed up. Melissa mash up all of them. Whole heap of pumpkin with the plant in the people. See that it fine pumpkin dung in the bush where me always a tie prize. Yeah. See that people? So little. So little. Yeah, vine the damage so you know beer big. So me find more bush callaloo in the bush. The seed them are spread, but this one, I go put it up for my little garden. Make it spring up. But we got bush callaloo. Alright guys, so these seeds that is we can sprinkle them in my ground, like scatter them all over, or I can put them in a pot. So me have that pot here. I don't remember when me did plant like, but it never come. So me I go get some fresh dirt, fresh soil in this, and I go sprinkle some of the seeds in it and sprinkle the rest all over in my garden. And then these are callaloo that were bought at the market, and then just throw it down, but it grow roots and stuff, so that they take it up and say I must plant them in my garden. So me I go plant them in the middle because that's where the soft dirt is, or right here. So when me bend down is soft as well. So me I go plant them, but then me I go get some dirt in this, and then me I go sprinkle some of the bush callaloo seeds in it and try to catch it. So yeah, people, that we are there with. That's what we're dealing with right now. That the inside I prepare him stuff for him I go use up a shop. Yeah. But him they want some callaloo we put in the middle of his fish to roast them. So him did a look bush callaloo. But they're young. They can't steam yet. So that's where I do, people. So me I go try and plant these in here. I don't know what this is. Yeah. So baby, let me mash it now. The bush callaloo them me I tell say young. He said they hard up, young hard up, me no know. And he might teach me about it. He said they get tough. Oh, so when they grow too much, they get tough. Oh, well, then tough people, excuse me, then tough, so they can't cook. Alright, guys, see me plant the two callaloo sucker right here, so. So me just plant the two callaloo plant, and me I go scatter some of the bush callaloo seeds now, people. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Alright, people, so me I go get some soil in this now and forward. Alright, people, so me dig up some soil from right there, so I put it in the pot. And I go scatter the seeds in it now, people. Me not go scatter one whole lot, cause me not want it to be too crowded, you understand? But me go scatter them in there. I hope I'm doing it right. And get the little suckers, but me I sprinkle them. My baby father said me can do it, so I am doing it like this. Cause me love callaloo, you know, guys. I'm a callaloo lover. I don't really love cabbage. It's just because I had an experience about a year ago where I bought callaloo in Mandeville, and I don't know what was wrong with it or what do it. It never tastes right, people. And then afterwards, when me eat it, me should have known too, because it hurt my belly. Afterwards, it hurt my belly, people. So see me, bush callaloo seeds. Yeah, we are gonna grow them. I'm going to go on the internet or ask my baby father how to take care of them. Or do I just leave them? Do I water them or what? But yeah. But y'all, this is how I'm looking in the little farm. Everything spring up. Everything I grow, guys. My pumpkin, them a flourish. See them there? See them there? Yeah. They're flourishing. I'm going to take a close up look. Yeah. One day. One day. One day. Plant two scallion right here, so just like over there, so yeah, me I go try to catch time the next time. Me plant some more seeds, you know, people, but they don't start spring up yet. So when they spring up the right way, then y'all will see them, see me scallion there. So me I can give them little water when me done. One more scallion there, one more pumpkin. A pumpkin that I'm not even sure, but it's right there. I'm gonna plant all you see the callaloo there when me just plant. Yeah, we are going. The corn them not spring out yet, people. None of that, but yeah, we are going. See me look at marijuana tree, them spring out, guys. Yeah. See them? See them, people? See them? Them spring out and a grow. Yeah, see one mommy peas right in the middle there, so guys, and see two over there, so I hope y'all are seeing it. Look at my beautiful tomato tree. It spring up so nice. See one mommy peas tree right there, so guys. Yeah, me I go on, guys, in my little garden. Yeah. Yeah. It is a pumpkin vine. He run gone way over in the bush in the people. Daddy have you try take it back over. People me finish water. My plants then. So I go take off some clothes now. Seeing as though I'm out here already and then I go water fresh. Yeah, that way I do. Guys, the little tiny pumpkin where we just show you see there, it not good. It blighted. So we are gonna give it to the guinea pig for eat it. And daddy just go down away big farm and find this pumpkin. See the other two pieces here? Yeah, so we have pumpkin same way. People me tell you, me I sell pumpkin, if you don't want pumpkin, Daddy buy tomatoes, he bought lettuce, he buy yam and something else, people, but him take them up already, so no can't see them. But anyway, same ingredients we make here go doing festivities. Cheese, him go make hot dog, pepper. Open the bag for me now. See the yam there, people. See the yam there? Yeah. And everything.
So we again. Pan up. Si mama come out a little kasha.
People are like, man, my ears smooth. That you ain't no come out in a couple days. He have really soft hair. And I always tell him that his hair is really nice.
Him say soft and he's stubborn. Cause me can't take certain style and I pull out by myself. Not tolerate certain things. I can't twist my sauce here. Me I
And
tell
his
him.
hair grow back, guys. His hair did drop off with you. Cause he never did that take you right. Yeah. He never did a pain.
That take you right. I locks me do that in.
Yeah, but
And
then
I,
after we pull out the locks, what were you doing? Nothing. You just left it.
that's true still. We did party for much months.
And just left it. He didn't do anything to it.
So now me I carve off my shed skin. So you know I go.
People my beard. Yeah. I come out him ear. Mateo asleep. So me wait for him to get up. So we can beard him so we can go up a shop. We'll start that stuff.
Yeah.
Show them my out. Show them my little full of ear, but show them. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we are go.
Big up your ugly map in the background, you know.
The ugly what? The ugly what?
The map.
What map?
The map, man. Listen, me I big up the map. Big
This
up
map,
yourself.
leave
Big
my
up
map
yourself.
me I wash out my map.
Large, you know.
Tomorrow, come here, go clean tomorrow. Don't do that.
Alright, guys, you
Wash
know
my
where we
map
go.
out into bleach.
We'll go and do this here, man, and get it done, and then we'll get physical up at the next hotspot. So, later.
Okay. Lion. So guys, may I have to voice over this part of the vlog because daddy did play music at him shop and because people were there, me never just want to tell him to turn it off. So yesterday we went to daddy's shop and him did it, see me a video him did it and him put him stuff on the grill, him hot dog, him chicken neck and him fish with steamed callaloo in the middle. Yes, see him chicken neck and him franks we already jerk, me I show one of the bun up one. He left it on the grill too long. Right over here, so he made some cow skin and some chicken foot soup with spinach, yam, pumpkin from our gardens, and stuff like that. Stuff where you know so going a soup. See me right here, so I rub my eye on my nose because the smoke went up. See me, I tell you, no, so the smoke can kill me, guys. So me, I walk back into the shop now, people. Right here, so the Rihanna song when the Umbrella was playing. I love that song. It used to be one of my favorite songs, but I don't really listen to R&B music anymore. But see me there, so me I dance and I have fun. People, give thanks to everybody who have been a support we, both at our shop and on YouTube. Give thanks to everybody we are support. We are far where I come from. If you know me in a real life, you know if you're far Marlon I come from. And if you know me in a real life, I've come from a far, far way. So right so me I show no Marlon just a spray on them little splash where the jerk man them would have chew on pan them chicken and stuff. Right over here, so him have him lettuce, him hot dog, bun, him cheese, him ketchup, him file paper, fork, soup cup, everything. And guys, me up there and things say I sell the soup I sell when I give it a giveaway. Anyways, right here, so he might tell me say the guys them in the background want hot dogs. So he asked me to prepare them because him did a look after him chicken neck. Right, so me I tell him say if you ask the guy them if them want tomato and lettuce, cause you know say not everybody eat vegetable in them hot dog. I couldn't figure out how to tear this bun. It did just seem like say me I rip up the bun when in fact the bun them just thin. So me tell babe say don't buy that, but if you're gonna continue doing the hot dog, don't buy back them bun here. Me not like them. I don't like them. Then too flimsy. And one of the reasons is because Marlon did have it in the bag, so I guess them squeeze up in a sense. But this is me searching for a better one. Guys, when you don't watch say me, I use my bare hand. I wash my hands in front of everybody. I don't have a gloves. So I washed my hand. I washed my hand about 3 times before and after. I washed my hand before I started making the hot dog, in between, and then after I was finished, I washed my hands. Because you know, say people you give food, you can't really understand. But with the years, so see my telling you hi with the good finger. Anyways, I took a break and I did end up have Mateo. So I say I go drink some soup and give Mateo some. Yeah, see the soup there. Nice and lovely. It never go down or nothing yet, people. But me too me tired and me never really eat during the day part. Me say, alright then. Me I gotta have a cup of soup. See Mateo cry and I say, Mommy soup. That's a Aguero hand. He's right beside me. Yeah, see Aguero there. But Mateo there so fight me for the soup, guys. And then when me give him say him no want it. Say him no want it. So I gave it to Aguero. Aguero asked for it, so me just feed Aguero with it. But yeah, people, the soup was nice. It was alright. It just needed to go down. Right here, so people, I got real creative and I put some of daddy dumpling when it have left over upon the grill and I roasted dumplings, guys. Yeah, you know, no girl creative. So see me right here, so me and Mateo having fun listening to music and having a roast dumpling and another cup of soup. People, a 3 cup of soup me drink. 3 cup of soup me drink. Long time I don't drink so much soup like out, like when on a outing, a long time I don't drink so much soup. But yeah, I drink some soup and see me I tell a girl say, stop eat off my dumpling. So hey y'all, me reach home now and I am about to go to my bed. People me say out a door cold, out a door cold, out a door cold is a shame. Literally. Me no know how me reach down the hill a while ago to me told them cold. But I am inside now. Mateo is sleeping. Daddy in a kitchen I eat him fish. Yeah. He roasted a fish for himself and for me and fish sell as well because we sold fish as well. And chicken neck. I tasted the chicken neck. It was really good. The only thing it needed was pepper to me. I had soup. I had about 3 cups of soup. But only I go see one in the video because you know me have to help daddy and them little stuff. This so me never give a video everything. And yeah. So big up on yourself, people. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All in all, the event was a success. Yeah, big up him. Him always a come up with some smart ideas, and him always a execute them properly. So yeah, we give thanks. So see y'all in the next vlog, guys. See y'all in the next video. Tomorrow is Friday. So I'm gonna do a whole different vlog tomorrow, people. So make sure you go ahead and like it when I upload this vlog and that vlog, guys. Big up on yourself. Yeah. Love y'all. Enough love from the house of love.